Okay guys, so I'm just going to give you a very brief run of the ingredient, but the measurement all you can find it in the description. So of course you need milk and digestive for the base, butter, this one is a vanilla essence, flour, some honey, orange marmalade, this one is custard sugar, some what's this, almond ground, it says almond powder, eggs, 4 of them, and a press of lime. Yeah, and since we're doing peach, we use this one, the canned peach. If you want the fresh peach, it's also up to you, but yes, fruit is up to your preference. You can choose whatever fruit you feel like using. Yeah, so we're gonna crush the digestive first because this is gonna be the base. Okay, so let's just here like crack it. Oh. Okay, so now we're just gonna pour in all this digestive biscuit inside this bowl. We're gonna crush it, right? Okay, so let's smash it. Boom. Okay guys, so we're gonna melt this butter. So before that we add in some honey. So yeah, this is honey, 1 tablespoon. 1 tablespoon of honey. Oh, sorry, Mike. It's 1 teaspoon, not tablespoon. 1 teaspoon of honey, and then we're gonna add this custard sugar. So later we're just gonna melt it inside the in the microwave. We have melted the butter in the microwave oven, and now we just like gently stir it, all the sugar and honey. So what we do next is we're gonna pour it inside this the base of the tart, which is the digestive which we smashed it earlier. So
pull it in.
So let's create a well. So if you can use your bare hand if you want to. Okay, so we start from the side. So just create like a well in the middle here. So yeah, just use your left arm as a guide. So you just push it and make sure that you have, the height is not bigger than your thumb. So just like push it. We've done pressing the edges. Now we're just gonna squeeze it further the base, just to flat it out. So we're gonna have a flat base, and later on we're gonna bake this thing in the oven for about 7 minutes. It's 160 degrees Celsius. So yeah, just press it down. We're just gonna use the egg yolk, and we're not gonna use the egg white. Okay, so with the egg yolk, and we're gonna add in the custard sugar. just need to keep on whisking until it looks a little bit pale. Looks like a cream. So now we're gonna add in some milk. So keep whisking. Now we add in the almond powder. Now we add in the flour together with the almond powder. So we're gonna add in the egg and milk. So now mix them together. Just whisk it. Whisk. Alright, so we have cooked this mixture in a microwave now for about a minute, 1.5 minutes. So now we're just gonna add in the vanilla essence and 30 ml of lemon juice. Okay, so we're gonna pour the mixture in the middle of the base. Camera. So keep pouring. Okay guys, so this is the one that has been baked for 80 minutes. So you can see the texture is different. It's tough now. So next we're gonna arrange the peach on top of it. Okay, so we're almost done guys. We have arranged the peach to be this flower shape, and now we want to glaze the peach with some marmalade so it looks glazy. So our last step, we're just going to sprinkle some almond around it, so you're gonna have like a beautiful texture and some beautiful colors out there. So yeah, so our flower peach tart officially is completed. So yeah, so you can before you can even eat this, we would suggest you to put in the fridge for at least 2 hours. It is best if you leave it in the fridge overnight, and then you can enjoy the next morning. So I'm gonna cut it open and see how it looks like after we left it overnight. So let's just try to cut this through. Take a fork and try to scoop this one up. Yes guys, this is the base from the digestive, and it's on the frangipane, and it's the peach. So
Ini saya peach ni basah sangat.